What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? All right, we're at the point where we're going to throw some primer on the wall. Get this KILZ PVA. This stuff is great. It fills in the porous sheetrock, the mudding, okay, any imperfections. And it's very, very simple. You're going to get your mixer, okay? This is the same one I used for the mud if you were watching my other video. We're going to throw it on the drill. We're going to mix this thing up really good. Get yourself one of these handy paint pals, kid. Or pails. I said pal. All right, handy paint pail. All right. They sell these at the Home Depot. Boom. It's got a little magnet in there, so when you have a brush, take this brush out. I'll show you what I'm talking about. By the way, anytime you use your brushes, you can see this one was used. I cleaned it. Clean it nice. Put it back in the holder. But if you look here, magnet, boom. Then you're just carrying this thing around. It's nice and convenient, and it's got a liner. That's one of the great parts of these things too. Let me put this over here, keep it clean. So when you're finished, you got a liner. They're probably 35 cents a piece. You can clean it out and reuse it if you want. If not, you toss it in the garbage. Get yourself a, you don't need top of the line stuff. I mean, I don't paint all that much. I could buy this kit with a bunch of rollers and brushes for about 15, 20 bucks, and I toss it when I'm finished. I did get a little bit of a better roller here. I mean, it's not the best, but it'll work. And we're just going to apply it all on the walls here. All right, do a nice priming coat, and it will hide any imperfections. I mean, I look up close. This stuff is smooth, kid. Very smooth. But that's it. We're going to throw the first coat of primer down. And the other thing you want to have is one of these nice little extension poles. Got this obviously at the depot. What you're going to do is you squeeze the button, extend it out, kid. Okay? This thing will go up 6 feet. And then what you want to do is when you want to bring it back in, you just squeeze the button, bring it back in. It's a nice little one. All right, we're going to mix this up, put the drill on that, mix this paint up. I'm going to start with all the corners, do them real quick, and then I'll roll the rest of these walls out. All right? Go easy. You don't want to go up here and wing it because it'll fly all over the room. So start off slow, put it down at the bottom. In that paint, you want to take a brush. I get all the corners. Get them pretty thick. Go around all these corners, all right? You don't have to go crazy putting down drop cloths when you have floors like this. That's the good part. Now what I'm doing is I'm rolling. Get your roller and just start rolling this primer on, kid. All right? What do we say there, kid? We rolling it on?
We're rolling it on.
Look at my assistant over here with the tattoo. Flex, kid. By the way, yeah, it is my son. All right, getting back to it, we're gonna roll these walls up. And that's it. Prime it tonight, paint it tomorrow, cuz. All right, so the coat of primer is completed. These are just wet spots. They're gonna dry. I know I talk about this in some of my other videos, all right? When you're finished, clean your rollers, clean your brushes. If they're quality rollers, clean them. This one's a cheaper one, but I'll still clean it off if it's easy. If not, I'll toss it. I do clean my brushes. We'll do the ceiling white. We're gonna do the walls. I believe it's a Collingwood. It's called Benjamin Moore Collingwood. Look up the color. It's a cool color. I have it in my room in the house, so I'm gonna paint it here in this room. It looks nice with the white trim. It really pops. All right, so that's it. Prime those walls. If you're going to sheetrock, do sheetrock work, sheetrock repair. You got to put a little primer on there. If you don't, and you paint these walls on an angle and stuff, you might see where you fix the repairs. All right. And we will definitely catch you on the next one when we put some color on this wall. All right. Then after the walls are done, that's right, bam, we're gonna put some floors down. That's gonna be a cool video. Never done these click, what are they, like fake, I don't know, they click in place, floating floors, whatever. I'm gonna look at all my options at Home Depot. I'll definitely shoot a video of what they have in stock. I'm not going for the most expensive, but I won't buy the cheapest, I'll buy the middle. I do need one that's waterproof. So listen, if you're putting a floor down and you got, you know, kids, dogs and stuff in and out, you gotta look for that waterproof flooring. All right, again, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Yo, Sonny! He came in here before. I think he came in. Sonny? He threw the bricks all over the place. Those are fireplace. Those are the bricks for the stove.
Yeah, Sonny.